So, this, that's snow. I think it might be snow. This is my new bike. Now, this was my dad's bike, and now it's mine. I've already done some upgrades to it in the 2 or 3 weeks I've owned it. As you can see here, I have a 1x chain ring instead of a 3x, because it's all stamped steel and super heavy and riveted, unfortunately, so I had to buy new crankset and chain ring, but now it's a 1x8, so I ditched one lever over here, and I got better bars, wider 720mm bars instead of the 610 or whatever they were, and because of that I had to get a different stem, so I had to get a stem with a wider clamp. These are 31.8mm bars at the clamp, so I had to get, you know, the right stem for it. And then I got some spacers here, and these are actually carbon spacers. So, yeah, and then I had to replace my bar ends because I lost one of them, I don't know how. But, as you can see here, the kind of whole look I was going for is black and gold, because all the accents are gold and a little bit of silver. So this is my pedals are my silver point, and then everything else, the chain ring, this paint here, that was all there already, and these bars are all gold, along with these yellow zip ties. And this thing rides really well. So yeah, and it only weighs about 32 pounds. So it's pretty, like, I mean, it's light. Definitely a lot lighter than my bike. But the reason I got this was because my dad recently upgraded to a Giant Trance. And this is a Giant Warp PS3. I believe he bought it in 2003. And it's practically brand new. So I was the first one to take it on a little real trail. So, yeah. But, you know, altogether I'm probably about $120 in on this so far. Between, like, these cranks themselves were $50, which isn't bad. Wait for them. One second. Land the plane. But yeah, these cranks themselves were $50, which isn't too bad, but it's a square tapered bottom bracket, so I had to get a square tapered crank set because I didn't want to change it. I didn't want to change the bottom bracket, but I did have to buy tools. So altogether, including tools, I'm like $120, $125 in. Like these bars and the stem and the spacer and the bar ends and the crank. This chain ring actually came with it. It's a 32 1x chain ring, so it's a narrow wide. Yeah. Let's go see how it rides. Okay. Let's do this. Trying to ride that stair set right there. Just too tight of a turn. Okay. Connecting this together. I'm gonna go do a little jump out right there. Oh, wow. This is a really strong headwind. My candle's like a freaking dream. But compared to my last bike, it feels like a couch. Like, the other one felt like it was heavy compared to this one. It's like a lazy boy compared to my last one.
Send you guys to footage of obstacle course that I did yesterday. Okay, helmet cam, kind of take two kind of thing. Just the other one, this file was getting too big. I didn't feel like having to download all that on my laptop. Okay, send it. Oh, my heel. Well, my foot was on my heel with the pedal. Look at that. The wind cover's doing its job. Teeter totter. You could probably get that teeter totter up a bit higher. Shit's an end of a corner, which is a no-no. That was actually kind of epic.